G'day, here's three pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. This piece has got a colour bar just here. It's only thin, showing up through here. You can see the colours popping out. Extra bright here, and where it goes there might be a two-coloured stone, as you can see there, black and white. The white does have some colour, but not as vibrant. This piece looks like it's just on the end there, small piece. This piece, nice black base, but little spot of colour showing there, but the rest of it is colour around this side. I don't think I can charge a lot for that piece. Anyway, not that the other pieces are getting charged a lot for. Cheers.